Hello everyone, today we're going to run through how to create an event on CatLife. So you're going to want to make your way over to catlife.ucmerced.edu. From here make sure you're logged in, and from your organizations page you're going to want to find that. So I'm going to use the Office of Student Involvement organization page. I'm going to manage the organization. I'm going to make my way over to events. From here I can create an event. And now we need to fill in all the necessary information about our event. You can skip ahead to 1 minute and 40 seconds if you don't want to see me run through all the test information here. So this next page of details goes over RSVP and who can attend the event. I'm going to go ahead and go next here. And then we can have some post-event feedback settings. I'm going to hit next again. Here we can add a photo to go along with our event. And now we can complete the submission or review it and make any changes. So I'm going to click Complete Submission. So we've made it to this page. Our submission has been made, and the Office of Student Involvement team will review it now, approve or decline it, leave any comments if needed, and suggest any edits if necessary.